In this video, I'll walk you through an effortless way to make $91 per hour just by watching videos online. It's considered one of the simplest methods to earn money on the internet, and I'm excited to show you the step-by-step process. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of this method. The first step is to hit that play button and watch the video for at least 60 seconds. Once you've completed watching the video, you're ready to cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the ultimate website for earning money by watching videos. This website is accessible worldwide, and the best part is, it won't cost you a dime. But before we proceed, I'd love to know which country you're from. Drop your country's name in the comment section below so that I can tailor future content specifically for you. Alright, let's take a closer look at how this website operates. The platform I recommend is Zoombox.com. It's a trustworthy and secure website where you can earn money by completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and participating in various offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on the video watching feature since it offers the highest earnings for the least effort. To get started, head over to the Zoombox website and sign up for a free account. Simply enter your email address, create a password, and hit that Sign Up Now button. Alternatively, you can also sign up using your Facebook or Google account for a smoother experience. Once you're logged in into your Zoombox account, you'll discover the incredible earning potential on the site. People have earned anywhere from $200 to $500 using this platform. They've been cashing in and watching videos, completing surveys, and engaging in various offers. The website provides a wide range of videos that reset daily, ensuring you never run out of opportunities to earn money. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. To start watching videos, click on the Watch option located on the left-hand side of the website. You'll notice boxes labeled Hideout TV and Lootably. Hover over these boxes and you'll find additional details about the offers. Click the Start button for Lootably, which will redirect you to a page where you can choose video categories. Take your pick from categories like food, DIY, or random video based on your interests. On the right-hand side, you'll see the corresponding points you can earn for each category. For instance, selecting the food category will take you to a website where you'll need to create a free account to proceed. Sign up on that website using your email address, create a password, and hit Sign Up. Once you've created a Lootably account, you'll gain access to all the videos in the food category. Feel free to watch as many videos as you like. Clicking on a video will redirect you to a page where you must watch it for a minimum of 60 seconds to earn money. To maximize your earnings, you can open multiple tabs and watch videos simultaneously while multitasking. Additionally, reducing the video quality to save data can help you watch more than 60-second videos and boost your earnings. By implementing these bonus tips, you can significantly increase your daily earnings on the website. Now let's continue exploring Zoombox. Besides watching videos, you can also make money by completing surveys. Just click on the Surveys section on the left-hand side of your Zoombox dashboard. You'll find a list of companies offering surveys with different payout rates. Choose the company with the highest payout and follow the same process as before, creating a free account to start taking surveys. For those of you who want to make even more money, I recommend watching another video that reveals the easiest way for beginners to make money online. It's available worldwide. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!